to IQ online classes. I'm Tutor Malambo. So today we're going to do logs and indices. Before I go any further, let me try to explain the relationship between logs and indices. For example, we have this. Let's say, let me say log 100 base of 10, b equals to what? B equals to 3. So this is just same as this one. This one now will become the base, and this one will be the what? The power. So it will be 10 to the power 3 equals to what? This is equals to what? 200. So what do we mean by the indices? So this power, this number is raised to what you call an index. Okay, so now let me go direct to laws of logarithms. Okay, laws of logs. Okay, so there's two laws of logs. So the first law is when you have log a base of a, this is just same as what? 1. Number 2, when you have log b base of a plus log c base of a, this is just same as bc. So here, because we are adding, here we need to multiply. So 3 log b base of a minus log c base of a, this is just same as because here we are subtracting, so meaning we need to divide to b over what? B over c. So the fourth one here is if we have something like this, log b base of a, b to the power a. So this is just same as you can drop the power here to be n, log b base of a. Okay. Then here let's say 5. So if you have something like this here, since change the base formula, so you have log b base a, this is just same as 1 over log a base b. So here the log will become the what? The base, and this base will become the what? The log. Okay, so these are the 5 laws of logs. We need to understand this. If we understand this, then we can solve any exam question on what? On logs. So let's do 3 exam questions on logs before we go to indices. Okay, so here is an exam question here. This question was gotten from electrical engineering 2019. Okay, so we have 2 log x base of 10 plus 3 log 2 base of 10 plus log 32 base of what? 10 equals to what? 2. So the first law we need to use here is what? So we know that this 2 here is supposed to be a power using this law. This law here. So now we can take this n now back to where it's supposed to be. So let's take this 2 back on top here, so it will be log 10 x to the power 2 minus c. Do the same here. The power 3 plus log 32 base 10 b equals to 2. So even this side we need to introduce a what? A log. We need to introduce a log this side here. But we know here, using this law, we know that log a base of a equals to what? Equals to 1. What if we just say log 10 base of 10, this is what? 1. Still more, still have what? A 2. Okay, so I've introduced a log given this side. Okay, so from here now, we can now use these 2 laws here. We can now use these 2 laws here. So the first one here, there's minus there, so meaning we're subtracting, so meaning we have to what? To divide. So this one will be x squared divided by what? What is 2 to the power 3? This is what? This is 8. When this is plus now, meaning we need to multiply. This is what? 32 we cross. Then here, we can now take these 2 here. Because we know that this 2 just dropped, so now we can take it up there. So this is what? So using this law, we're using this law here. We're using this law here, so now we can take this in here. So this one will be equal to log base of 10 to the power to the power 2. Then from here you can say drop the logs. So drop the logs. So dropping the logs here, we drop these logs. So we have what? You have x squared over 8 multiplied by 32. B equal to what? What is 10? 10 to the power 2 10 squared is what? This is 100 there. This is 100 there. Okay? So, here let's try to cancel. Here 1. What about here? Is this 4? What is 4 times 8? This is 8, 16. Okay? So it's 4 here. So, meaning here we remain with what? 4x squared. B equal to what? 200. Then from here, 1 to remain with x, so it will be over what? Over 4. Over what? Over 4. So from here we can cancel. So here we have what? X squared is equal to what? Says 25. So from here you can square both sides, so it will be x is equal to the square root of what? 25. So from here, the answer x is equal to what? X is equal to what? 5. So here we know automatically that you find two answers, minus or plus what? Plus 5. But we know that the negative, when you put a negative log there, it will be what? It will be undefined. So get the positive what? Positive answer. So get the positive answer. So the answer is what? Is 5. So this was question number 1. So let's go there to question number 2 here. Let's go there to question number 2. Let's go there to question number 2. Okay. Let's go to question number 2. Let me erase this one here. We go to question number 2. Let's go to question number 2. So question 2 have x plus 5, b equal to minus x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2. So okay, so here is question number 2 here. Here is question number 2 here. Okay. So when we are not given the base, we need to assume that the base is what? Is 10. When we are not given the base, okay? Is 10. Okay? So what to do when you are not given the base? So we need to assume that the base is what? The base is 10. So now let's do the mathematics here. Let's do the mathematics here. So we can start from this side, because you know this side there's what? A minus. So when you're subtracting two logs, which log do you use there? This one. When you're subtracting two logs on the same base, you use what? This one. So this one will be x plus 5. Okay, then here will be log, open, because we're subtracting, meaning we need to divide. 4 divided by what? X plus what? Plus 2, we close here. Then from here we can do what? Drop the logs. Okay, from here, drop the logs. So when you drop the logs, we remain with what? So this will drop these logs, so we remain with x plus 5, b equal to 4 over what? X plus what? Plus 2. Then from here, you can do what? You can cross multiply. Okay? You can cross multiply. This will be x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 2. B equals to what? To 4. B equals to 4. Okay? X multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by 2 to be 2x. What about x? Since 5 multiplied by x is 5x. 5 multiplied by 2 is what? Plus 10, b equals to what? To 4. Okay? From here to the x squared, what is the answer here to be? 7x. Okay? This 4 can come this side. can come here, so to subtract to be 10 minus 4, which is what? Plus what? Plus 6 is equal to what? 0. So from here you can see that we now have what? A quadratic equation. So from here you can see we have what? A quadratic equation. Okay? So let's solve it from here. So we have, so here we have what? X squared plus 7x plus 6 is equal to what? 0. Okay? So this is now a quadratic equation. You can use that formula method, or you can use the factor method. So here, let's say 1 multiplied by 6 is what? The product equals to what? 6. What is the sum? The sum is the middle term, which is what? 7. So let's look for two numbers. When we multiply them, they'll give us 6. But when we add them, they'll give us what? They'll give us what? They'll give us 7. So here automatically we have what? 6 and what? And 1. Because when we multiply 6 times 1, they'll give us 6. When we add 6 plus 1, they'll give us what? 7. Okay? So now, this will be, so where there's 7x, we need to replace with this. So we have what? X squared, okay? X squared plus 6x plus what? Plus 1, which is x, plus what? 6 is equal to what? 0. Okay? Then from here, what do you do? You can factor out what is common here. Let's factor out to be x. What will remain here? X plus 6, okay? Plus 6. Let's factor out which one is common here. You can see it's 1. 1. X plus what? 6 equals what? 0. Then we have this one, so it will be x plus 1. Open. X plus 6 equals to what? 0. So the first one will be x is equals to what? We get this one equals to negative 1. And the other one will be x is equal to what? Negative what? Negative 6. So these are the two answers. These are the two values for what? For x. So these are the two values for x. Okay? So let's go to the third question. Let's go to the third question here. Let's solve the third question. Let's solve the third question. Let me put it just in here. Let's solve the third question. So let me put the third question here. Okay. So this is the third question here. So what is the third question? The third question is we have x plus 24. Okay. Plus 24. We close here. Okay. Minus. Okay, equals to. So we have this question, this is the third question here. So we have this question here. Okay? So again, we can solve this one using our laws here. Okay? So the first thing, we need to take this power where? Here. We need to take it back on top. So it will be log x plus what? 24 minus 3 to the power 2 equals to what? 9 minus what? Minus 2x. Okay. Then from here, we can now come to this one here. We are subtracting there. We are subtracting there. So it will be x plus 24. What is 3 to the power 2? What is 3 to the power 2? What is 3 to the power 2? This will be what? This one will be 9. Okay? This one will be 9. 3 to the power 2. This one will be 9. Then b equal to what? 9 minus 2x. Okay? Log. Log 9 minus what? 2x. Okay? So from here, you can do what? Drop the logs. Okay, so we drop the logs here. So we remain with it. X plus 24 over 9. B equal to what? 9 minus 2x. Okay. Then from here, you can do what? Can cross multiply. So it will be x plus 24. B equal to what is 9 multiplied by 9, which is 81. Minus 9 multiplied by 2, which is what? 18x, okay? 18x. So from where you can group the like terms, this one will come the other side here to be x plus 18x, okay? Let me write it in this way. 18x, okay? B equal to 81, this one will jump to what? 24. So from here, this one will go what? 19x is equals to what? When you subtract here, what's the answer? What is the answer? This is supposed to go at 50 what? 57. 57 divided by 9. 19 divided by 19. What is x? What will be x here? What will be x here? In calculator? What will be x here? What will be x here when you divide? Let's try to divide, we see what will be x here. What will be x here? So it will be x. Let's say 57. 57 divided by 19. X is equals to what? X equals to what? To 3. X equals to 3. If we are done for this question, let's go to question number 4. Let's go to question number 4. Here is question number 4 here. Given that log P base of A equals to 0.70 and log Q base of A equals to what? 2, evaluate the one, the following. Evaluate log P squared Q to the base of A. Number 2, evaluate log A PQ to the base of A. So let's start with the first one here. So say solutions, okay? Squared Q, okay? So I've seen that this number is squared here. So we can come to this row here where I have a base squared here. So meaning we need to drop the what? We need to drop the power. So this one will be 2 log P base of A Q, okay? Then now we come here, there's multiplication, it's more like we are multiplying P and Q. So meaning, if you are multiplying there, meaning you are supposed to add the logs. So this one just same as 2 log P base of A plus log Q base of what? Base of A, okay? So this one is same as 2 multiplied by what is log P base of A. Log P base of A is what? 0.70, okay? Plus what is log Q base of A, which is equal to what? To 2, okay? Then from here, we can punch. So it will be 2 multiplied by 0.70, which is what? 1.4 plus 2, which is what? 3.4. Okay? 3.4. Which is 3.4. So the answer here was what? 3.4. So let's answer the second one there. Let's answer the second one there. Okay? Let me answer from here. Okay? Let's answer the second one here. So here we are multiplying. So if we are multiplying here, meaning using this row here, we need to add the logs. So we have this one. A, P, Q, okay, to the base of what? A. So this is just same as log A, the base of A plus log P to the base of A plus log Q to the base of what? The base of A. So what is log A to the base of A? We know, using this, so we know that log A to the base of A is equals to what? Equals to 1. So here now 1 plus what is log P to the base of A? Log P to the base of A is what? 0.70 plus What is log q to the base of a, which is what? Which is 2. So from here, what is the answer here? What is the answer here? So it will be 1 plus 0.770 plus 2, which is equals to what? 3.7. 3.7. So, thank you for watching. We are done with the logs. In the next video, we are going to solve questions on what? On indices. I'm going to give you the laws of indices and we'll solve questions on indices. Then we are done with what? Logs and indices. Now let's do indices. Let's just go back to laws of indices. Laws of indices. So the first law of indices, here will say, let's say for example, we have a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m. This is just same as you maintain the base, so it will be a. Then you add the what? The powers, so it will be n plus what? Plus m. Okay? N plus m. So let's go to the second one. Say a to the power what? N divided by a to the power m. So here you maintain the base to be a. When you subtract the what? The power n minus what? M. Okay? Let's go to the third one here. Say 3. For example, we have something like this. We have a to the power m over n. So this is just same as square root of n a then to the power t, the power m. Okay? 4. Let's say 4. When you have something like this, let's say a to the power negative m. This is just same as what? 1 over a to the power m. To be positive now. Okay? 5. A divided by b to the power negative m over n. Okay? This is just same as they will interchange. This one will go up and this one will go down to b. B over a to the power. Then now the power become what? Positive. M over what? M over n. The power now become positive will be what? M over n. Okay? Let's add another one. Let's add another one here. So if you have a the power m plus the power t n is equals to what? A. You can multiply these two to do what? Mn. Okay. A to the power mn. Okay. Okay. So these are the laws of indices. These are the laws of indices here. These are the laws of indices here. So we need to understand these laws of indices. So now we understand the laws of indices. Let's do questions on indices. Let's do questions on indices. Okay. So number one here. Evaluate 27, 3 multiplied by 81 over 16 the power negative 1 over 4. Okay, so let's evaluate this one. So this is the first question here. So this is the first question here. This is the first question here. So solution. First question, solution. Okay. So we have 27 to the power 2 over 3. So now we come to this row. Which row? We come to this row here. Let's use this row. What is the meaning of that using this row? So using this row, this just same as what? 3. When we put what? 27 to the power of what? 2. Okay? Multiplied by, okay? Then this is 81 over 16 to the power negative 1 over 4. Now using this row, which row? Using this row here. Using this row here. So meaning we interchange them. what is down will go on top and the power will be positive. So this one will be 16 over 81. The power 1 over 4. The power now will be positive. Okay? So the power now will be positive. Okay? So from here, this will be equals to, what is the cube root of 27? The cube of 27, let's say, this is what? 3 multiplied by, what is the fourth root of 16? What is the fourth root of 16? This one will be what? 2. Okay? This is 3 to the power 2. The cube root of 27 is what? 3. Then you have this power to the power 2. What is the fourth root of 16? Is what? 4. Is 3. And what is the fourth root of 81? The answer is what? Is 3. Okay? Then from here I can say, this is what? 9 multiplied by 2 over what? 3. So here I have 1. Here, what is the answer here? 3. So what is the answer? 3 multiplied by this one is what? 6. So we are done. So just follow the laws. Then you can solve any question. So we are done with this one. Let's go to question number 2. Let's go to question number 2. Let's go to question number 2 here. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. Let's go to question number 2. So in question number 2, here is what? Question number 2 here. Say I find x, okay? Find x when you have 49, the power x plus 1, plus 3, no, plus 7, the power 2x, this is 2x here, is equals to what? 350. So we need to solve for x here. We need to solve for x here. We need to solve for x here. So here, what is the lowest base here? So we can see that the lowest base is what? 7. So meaning we need to find the way of making this 49 7. So we know that 7 to the power 2 is equal to what? 49. Okay? So now we've simplified this one. Then we open. What is there? It will be x plus what? 1 plus 7 to the power 2x. B equals to what? 350. Okay? Then here we say 7. 2 multiplied by 2. Which is what? 2x. Okay, 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 1 equals what? 2. Plus 7 to the power 2x is equal to what? 350. So from here, what is the meaning of this? So meaning we are adding the powers there. So meaning we are multiplying numbers in the same what? Bases. So this one is the same as 7 to the power 2x multiplied by 7 to the power 2 plus 7 to the power 2x. B equal to what? 350. Okay? What is 7 to the power 2? 7 to the power 2 is what? 49. Then, okay? Okay, from here, before I go to that, let's say, let y be equals to what? 7 to the power 2. 2x, because you can see that 7 plus to the power 2x is what? Is common here. So meaning, here we say, what is 7 to the power 2? 7 to the power 2 is what? 49. Then we know that now this one is what? Y. Plus what is 7 to the power 2x is now y equals to what? 350. So what is 49 plus 1? This is what? 50y equals to what? 350 over what? 50 over what? 50. Okay? Then from here we say y is equals to, when you cancel here, what is 50 divided by 350? So equals to what? 7. Okay? Y equals to what? To 7. Y is equal to 7 from here. Let's take it there. Y equals to what? 7. So now we know that y is now equals to what? 7. Let's replace where there is y here, put what? 7. So this one will be 7 is equals to 7 to the power 2x. And we know that this 7 here is raised to the power what? 1. So these numbers have the same base. So meaning to be, you add the powers, when you have these numbers the same base, you add the what powers. So it will be 1 is equals to what? Okay? If you have two numbers with the same base equal to each other, so meaning you get the what? The power, so it will be 2x equals to what? 1 over what? 2 over what? 2. X is equal to what? Half. Okay? So we are done with this question. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question here. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. So the last question here is, we have 9 x plus 1 plus 3 2 plus 1 is 2x plus 1 b equals to what? 236. Then we need to find x here. So here, what's the lowest base here? We know it's 3. So we need to find the way of making this, simplifying this to what? To base what? 3. So we know that 3 to the power 2 is equals to what? 9. Then open x plus 1 plus what is the meaning of this? So we're adding powers there. So the power being added, meaning we are multiplying two numbers with the same what? The same base. So this is the same as 3 to the power 2x multiplied by what is this? Is this 3 or 2? So this 3 or 2, okay? To the power to the power 3 to the power 1 equals to what? 36, okay? Equals to what? To 36. So from here, this will be 3 to the power, this time this one, 2x plus what? 2 plus this one to be 3. Okay, then let's see the way it is 3 to the power 2x plus 3 to the power 1 equals to what? 36. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? So meaning we are multiplying two numbers with the same base, so it will be 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power 1 equals to what? 36. Equals to 36. Okay? So from here you can see which one is common. You can see that 3 to the power 2x is common, so that y equals to what? 3 to the power 2x. So this one will be 3. What is 3 to the power 2, which is what? 9. And this is y. Okay? Plus, what is this? 3 to the power 1 is what? 3. And this is what? Y. B equals what? 36. Okay? What is 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3 equals what? 12 y. B equals to what? 36. So, over what? 12 over 12. So, what is y? Y is equals to what here? Y is equals to what? To 3. So, y is equals to 3 there. So, y equals to 3 there. Okay? Y equals to 3 there. And here, we know that y equals to what? 3 to the power 2x. So, meaning where there's y here, we put what? 3. So, this will be equals to what? 3 b equals to what? 3 to the power 2x. So, we know that these 3 here is raised to the power 1. So, when you are doing two numbers with the same base, when they are equated to each other, meaning you have to what? To equate the what? The power. So it will be 2x equals to what? 1. Here over what? 2 over 2. X is equals to what? 1 over 2.